As to specific scientific knowledge that she's picked up during the course, I think some of the basic concepts around electricity, around magnetism, around sound waves, light waves, around how the concept of robotics has evolved. What does it mean when we say a robot? I think these concepts are quite clear in her mind. In fact, she's more and more interested, and she's trying to apply that into her school-based curriculum as well. So she knows resistors, and she knows how to make circuits out of breadboards, LEDs. I had no concept of what a light emitting diode is, but she knows it right now. That's just amazing. But the unique thing about CurioEd is that it was 101. The attention was quite specific, so she enjoyed that, and actually being able to say that I made this at the end of the class. So I think the way the course is structured, each session actually has an end point, and she creates something which I think keeps her hooked. So when we see the curiosity that she's developed about those topics, whenever we hear her talking to her peers or even talking to us about certain topics, we understand that she is now piqued. Her interest is piqued about these things. So definitely I think we are very happy with the experience.
Uniqueness is about the simplicity in the way of teaching and the fun that tutors bring during the session. Also, the one thing that I observed was they don't give spontaneous solution to the kids. Kids are encouraged to arrive on the solutions on their own. So that is the best part about the tutors.
If I had CurioEd when I was a kid, I would be a completely different person today. The accessibility of the courses, because it's all on Zoom, is so good. So we've recommended it to folks all over India. It's actually something that we've been recommended very actively and seeing many more sign-ups